Hi, my name is Gaal Viljoen. I'm a farmer from South Africa. I am very hardworking, dedicated, and I pride myself to my work. I can drive tractors up to 120 horsepower. This is the heaviest truck I have driven. It is manual clutch, and it fully loaded. It's about 18 tons. Okay, I have also driven forklifts, grapefruit harvesters. I have over 5 years of farming experience. I grew up on a farm, so all the basic skills I know. I'm easy adaptable. I'm looking forward to learning new ways of farming. I'm easy to teach and a quick learner in driving new machinery.